Hello everyone and welcome in this video guide how to use CryptoKong Expert Advisor. In this chapter I will explain all inputs inside this EA, so let's get started. Okay, I will start from the top. In this money management system we have two options. First option is we can choose automatically calculation lot size like so. If we double click on this field and activate this option, all these four input below is active. But if we deactivate this option, then we must choose our fixed lot size. So if we activate this option, that means this option here, fixed lot size, is inactive. Now, next input is use account balance. So if you activate this option and choose also to activate this option, in some calculation expert will use your account balance to get maximum or minimum lot size for each open pending order. Next we have maximum lot size. And now we have choose what will be our maximum lot size. So if you choose, for example, here 1, there is no chance to expert open any position above this one lot. Now next is input is decimal range, so we can choose here 0, we can choose 1, or we can choose number 2, and that's mean if we choose lower number, our risk per each trade will be lower, simple say. Now we have exit rules, and we have trailing stop rules, and we have break-even stop rules. All these rules are calculated based on separate ATR for each of these rules. So this input here means coefficient calculated based on this ATR for break-even, and this ATR for trailing stop, and this ATR for this profit target and stop loss. So next we have open price rules. This input means multiplier for these open price rules, and these open price rules are calculated based on triple exponential moving average. Inside this bracket you will see default value for this custom indicator. Because this expert open pending order, buy stop and sell stop, we have pending order rules. First rule is expiration order in bars. For how much bar will every order will be expire. Next we have replace existing order. So if this order is if this input is active, each time when new order is generated, it will replace old order. So if this option is inactive, that means we choose to modify this existing order. Next input is duplicate trade. So if we activate this option like so, double click here, that means we allow to expert open several order in the same direction. Next input is maximum number of trade per day. So in this case I choose only one pending order per 1 day. But if this option is active, you can reduce here number of trade, putting, for example, 2 or 1 or 5 or how much you want order per 1 day. So no matter, because you are activating this option, so expert will try to open several order and in the same direction, but you can reduce these several order with your number. Next we have magic number and the comment, so you can double click here, put some comment here. Next section is don't trade on the weekend. Using this section have makes sense if you are using VPS. If you are not using VPS, don't use these inputs. But if you are using if you want to use this option, simply double click here and you will activate this time section, and double click here and choose your Friday close time, and double click here and choose your Sunday open time. Now last section is signal section. So we have entry signal rules and exit signal rules. All these indicators are custom indicators, and all these numbers inside these brackets are default value for each of these indicators. Last option is signal limit time range. Also these are intraday time range. You can choose like so. This double click here and you will activate this option. If you activate this option, double click here and choose your start time and choose your end time, and between this start time and end time, expert will try to find the signal. After before and after that, expert simply will not work. Don't forget, these experts have exit signal rules, so no matter what, where your stop is in the active position, if this condition is met, expert will close any active position on the chart. So that will be all for today, and in the next chapter I will explain how to test this expert inside your MetaTrader strategy tester. Have a nice day.